Hello, my name's Frank. Welcome to Learning and Technology's Quick Tips for Teams. Have you ever wanted to get better data, better insight into what's happening with your team environment? What channels are people visiting? How long are people spending on the site? Well, with Insights, you can do that. In this video, I'll show you how to use Insights for Microsoft Teams. Teams is a wonderful place. It's a portal, a centralized portal, brings together a lot of information. But we need to know, are people actually using Teams effectively? What channels are they working with? What features are they using? How often are they engaging with it? Now, this is a feature that's only available for educators at this time, but it's really very useful. If we go into adding an app, so hit the ellipse and go to add an app, I'm going to add an app called Insights. And Insights is an analytical tool for educators that allows us to get an idea of how our channels, how our teams are being used. So I've gone in and I've added in Insights, and I'm going to go into my Outdoor Adventure Club. Now, this is a channel that I just created for demo, but you can see that 3 of my students have been inactive. I've added them to the team, but they haven't done anything. And then I've got some communication that has been happening. There's 5 students that were inactive last week, and that's sort of a warning there, gets my attention. Now, I just added them this evening while I was doing this, so I'm not surprised by that. And there's going to be a new version coming out, so I'll just go ahead and like it because it's always good to give feedback to Microsoft. So let's track the student activity, and you can see that I've got Clark Kent has done a little bit of activity. Diana has done a little bit of activity. Let's go ahead and look at Clark's activity. So if I go in here to Clark Kent, I can go into his activity. We can drill down. He's posted 1 message and he's replied to 1 message. And if we have a look, you can see that with Deanna, she's done 1 message. She's posted 1 message. Now, this isn't very much, but we can sort by custom ranges. We can look and see how people are working with specific activities. Are they working with the files? Are they, in this case, they haven't done anything with files, so I will not get much in there. Actually, if you look here under the Files tab, just viewed it. Underneath here, it just viewed it. There's nothing happening with these students. I can go in and I can say, well, have they been working on the assignments, meetings, activities? So this is a great way to get some insight into how people are interacting with your team. And a lot of times I will use this just to go in and sort of touch base with students that aren't using it very often, see if there's any obstacles or anything I can do to help them use it more effectively. Thank you for watching. I hope that was useful. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips and longer videos, and share with any colleagues that might benefit from this information. Thank you for watching. Here's some other videos you can check out on my channel.